Alright guys, we're back to unbox this 1991 Le Mans winning Mazda 787B race car from Kyosho. The Mini Z, this is a new MRO for rear-wheel drive chassis, and this is one of my favorite race cars from the 90s. Just, you know, distinctive sound, super fast, obviously Le Mans winner, and very excited that it's available now as a Mini Z. If you guys aren't familiar with Mini Z, they make a lot of these really cool small scale race cars and drift cars, both rear wheel drive and all wheel drive, and several different body sets and stuff like that. So we're going to open this one right now. Should be fairly simple. That's just such a good looking car. Yeah, that's almost too good to use, but it's not going to be a shelf queen. I actually have plans for this. Alright. So now let's get your manual. And there we go. You got some cones there. Set up your own little autocross course. A little extra plastic piece hardware here. That's probably for doing different conversions and stuff. And of course, the transmitter here. That's a pretty sizable. Alright, back to the car. Alright, let's see. Put a screwdriver real quick. Be right back. Alright, there it is. Blew it out of the box. These wheels are accurate. Just look really, really good. Yeah, it's such a good looking car. Yeah, I was a big fan of this car in real life. You know, I picked these up in, you know, die cast form, and you know, 164 scale, 118 scale, all that kind of stuff. So finally get a RC version of it. It's really exciting. Going to be, where'd it go? Running, oh sorry, on these 1.6 volt AAA's. A little punchier than the standard. I think they're 1.2 maybe. What regular AAA's are. Anyway, I'm running on those, and can't really drive it around here. I do have hardwood floors, but that's not going to give it a good idea of what this thing can do. So I have the perfect place to run this. So let's get there. So rumor has it, this place is a perfect place to test a Mini Z. Oop. Wow, maybe it's not the car, maybe it's just me.
Oh no, it's definitely the tires.
Oh wow.
This is a stock car.
Oh! Felt like I was going good for a second. All right, yeah.
Tires that come on, them are good for laying in the driveway or in the garage on concrete floor.
All right,
They're real hard to calm down.
I haven't met up with anybody now other than just... Alright guys, so that was a little look about where we'll be using this Mini Z at Scale Nation RC. We already got the indoor track there. It's going to be a lot of fun. Obviously, it's my first time going around there. I'm definitely going to get some practice in. And also, while I was there, picked up some wheels and tires, same as the other wheels and tires that were the same wheels and tires, or tires at least, that were on the other car you seen in the video. That was much faster than mine, more grip. Obviously, this thing kind of sliding around, but a lot of fun. Definitely looking forward to getting in there, doing some racing. It's gonna be, videos of that coming in the future. I'm gonna try to do a lot more of that. There's also a dirt track for some short course trucks near here too. I want to try to get out and do some racing there too. So this looks to be a fun little venture I'm set out on with this thing. But that'll do it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, maybe like and subscribe if you like C average RC YouTube content. But thanks guys, see you in the next one.